Hey there! Imagine you have the power to make your website visitors take action instantly. The secret lies in a complete new tool for Kajabi, and it's called Timeline Funnel. I'm Bastiaan de Koning, I'm from Jiffy Course Online, and our purpose is to make Kajabi better. We love Kajabi, but we think there are tools, there are options that are missing in Kajabi, and we love to create those tools and bring it natively to Kajabi. You probably know me from the Gamify Pro templates or maybe Kajabi papers. Now we have Timeline Funnel. And Timeline Funnel is a tool to create scarcity, real scarcity for your website visitors, and it is personalized for them alone, and you can compare it with other tools that are online available. But Timeline Funnel works completely inside Kajabi, and you can set it up in just 5 minutes. How can Timeline Funnel help you to build your business? Well, Timeline Funnel is created on the fear of missing out. People don't want to miss a great opportunity. And you've probably seen lots of great opportunities online. And sometimes there's a countdown timer on the page that says you need to act now because after this moment, this bonus, this discount, this extra thing is gone forever. The difference with Timeline Funnel and most of those pages is that those pages don't offer real scarcity. Because when the countdown timer hits 0, it stays at 0 and you can still buy the same offer. Or maybe you opt in again to the page and then you see a new timeline, a new countdown timer, and you think, oh wait, I can do it again. So that's the real scarcity. With Timeline Funnel, it's personalized, and when they come back, when they opt in again, when they click on the links, they will see the same countdown timer again and again and again. People love a great opportunity. And when they see an opportunity with a countdown timer, their mind says instantly, oh wait, if this timer hits 0, I might miss this opportunity. And a certain amount of website visitors will take action instantly when they see that countdown timer. And this is direct revenue for you. You will make more sales instantly. But also, and I hear you thinking, well, I don't like those timers because they're scammy and they're fake. And it's true if it's gone and they can never buy it again. But with Timeline Funnel, it is possible to start an email sequence and bring them back to this same offer day after day after day. Let's say for 7 days. They can get this offer for 7 days and you can send them with an email back to the same page. They will see the same countdown timer counting down further and further and further. And then they know, oh wait, this is for a week. They are not trying to sell me instantly something like you see in this timer now that says you have only 50 minutes left. They understand that it's an offer that's just there for that week. You can play with this. It's your task to bring this in a way that your customers will like it. And when you do it well, you will see more revenue on your bank account. What makes Timeline Funnel unique versus other tools? First, it is natively in Kajabi. What you're looking at, this is a Kajabi website page, and you can completely change this page to your styling and make it like all your other pages. So people don't see a different page and think, oh, I'm on some different other website. They will stay in the look and feel that your website already has. It has an opt-in page and it has a landing page. The opt-in page is just a Kajabi opt-in page with a form. There's nothing more on this page. You can change the form, you can change the images, you can change the colors, just like a Kajabi website. People opt in and they will send immediately to a landing page where they will see something like thank you for your interest, and they will see some kind of special bonus. What makes it special is when the countdown timer hits 0, this part will be changed in a different part. It will be changed in the default part, as we call it. So you have a bonus part on this page and there's a default part. Or if you like, you have a bonus part and you can redirect the people to a different website or a different page when the timer hits 0. There's no altering with the timeline code. When they do this, they will see the default page or the page without the bonus section. If they do anything to play with it, they will see the default page. Only the people with a valid timeline funnel code in their account, they will see this bonus section. So it's completely personalized. It is personalized on the date that the people opt in to your website. When they opt in, then the timeline funnel will start. So when they opt in on Tuesday at 10 and you set a timer for 24 hours, the timer will end at Wednesday at 10. And when you set it, when they opt in on Thursday and you have a timer for 2 days, the timer will end at Saturday. But you have also the option to set a timer to calculate what's left till midnight. So what you can do is say, hey, you're on my website and till midnight you have the option to buy this product. Act now. And when they opt in at 10 a.m. that morning, they will have 14 hours left. And when they opt in at 8 p.m. the same day, they will have 4 hours left. Everything is possible with Timeline Funnel. Another big advantage from Timeline Funnel compared with other tools is that Timeline Funnel is completely in Kajabi. We talked about that. And this means you don't need Zapier to set up all the options to trigger moments or to see what's happening. And also because it's all in Kajabi, you can go to your settings, to your analytics, and follow how many people opted in on your website. Because we use the forms from Kajabi, you can just see how many people subscribed to this form. You can see how many people bought this bonus offer, how many people bought this default offer. You can see how many people opted out during the sequence. You can follow all statistics just in Kajabi. It's very easy to monitor your timeline funnel. Timeline funnel is used already by many Kajabi users, and the feedback we get is overwhelming. Wow, this is really what I was waiting for, and I really love this template. It's so easy to set up, and this is very important. We love to make things simple. We love to create better things for Kajabi, but also to make things very simple. And if you know how to upload the template to Kajabi and how to create a form and an extra form field, then you've completely set up your opt-in pages. All you need to do, you can do this in 2 minutes. Yes, we have instructional videos to show you every step you must take, but you can do it in 2 minutes. Also, if you want to create a page like this, the time to create this page is the time you need to upload this page to your Kajabi settings. So this is just 1 minute maybe. Then of course you need to recreate the page, make it yours, add your colors, add your images and add your copy. But that's all you need to do. It works out of the box. It works very easy. So let me show you what happens when the timer hits 0. And for this, we will go to the admin from Kajabi and update the timer to just 1 minute. So we're in the admin now. This is the timeline funnel landing page. You see it's just a normal Kajabi website with sections on the left side. You can change all the sections and you see a red line and everything below this red line. This is the bonus section. This is what people see when the timer is still working. And then you have a green line and this is what the people will see when the timer hits 0. So we go to the settings, we go to the timeline funnel section, and here you can set up how much time people have to see this funnel. And you see you can set up days, you can set up hours, minutes, and you have the option to add the remaining time till midnight. We discussed about that. Well, let's bring the number of minutes to just 1. So we have 1 minute for a countdown timer. We press save to this page and I'll press page preview. And what you will see is that we have a timer that's just 1 minute now. What happens is this section, this is a bonus section, and it's only visible as long as this timer is ticking down. when it's at 0, the page changes. And it can be that you can see the default section, what I will do today, or you can also send them to a next page. And this is very valuable if you have multiple pages, multiple landing pages, and you want to show them just one landing page at a time. And when the offer on this landing page is gone, you can send them to a next page. So you can make very, very interesting evergreen funnels to your clients. This is really a game changer in Kajabi. This is what happened. The timer hits 0. You see the page changes, and this is the default information. When people come to this page, they will just see a normal page. They didn't know there was a timeline funnel countdown timer, and that's good, because the fear of missing out only works as long you have fear of missing out. But when it's really missing out, then you feel sorry you didn't have it and you don't like it. If you say, hey, nah, you missed it, then people hate you for that. And they say, oh, can I get it more? Can you give it back to me? Well, all those things, just give them a better offer or another offer or some offer that's really great to them. Well, this is about timeline funnel. When you start working with it, you get 2 templates. I showed you them. You get an opt-in page and a landing page. And this landing page can be used for thank you pages or just other landing pages. And you can create as many as you like. I hope you like this template. If you like to work with it, well, you know what to do now. And I'm Bastiaan de Koning from Jiffy Course Online. If you have any questions, please contact us at Jiffy Course Online.